What's going on, big boys? Ice Spicy back again to bring you another video. Today we're going to be doing one of the classic unboxing video for you. Today in the Ice Spice, we're going to be unboxing Hellmann's mayonnaise. As you can tell here, we have a Hellmann's jar of mayonnaise. Bring out the best. Real mayonnaise.
Chevrolet, es correcto. Es Chevy, la familia de camionetas pickup de...
We need Mr. Giraffe, of course, for a... Look how happy Mr. Giraffe is. We need Mr. Giraffe to help us open the jar of mayonnaise. Alright. Okay. Mayonnaise. And we always have to test the product, so let's see. Get a good little... Oh! Maybe it's like an acquired taste. Go around two. Do bigger bite. Bigger bite. Round two for Hellmann's mayonnaise. Oh. Oh. No. I don't recommend the product, but it works. I mean, it's mayonnaise, so. Don't forget to subscribe.